Welcome to part 5 of our ASP.NET Employee Manager series. In this video, we will enable edit and delete operations in the GridView to manage employee records directly from the table. You will learn how to use built-in GridView features to update and delete records, how to write the backend VB.NET code, and how to keep the view updated after each operation. We enable edit and delete buttons by setting these properties in the GridView. We also connect event handlers for each action like editing, updating, cancelling, and deleting. When a user clicks edit, we switch the row into edit mode. Cancelling clears the edit index. After both actions, we rebind the data to refresh the view. When the update button is clicked, we capture the new values using find control, pass them as parameters to an SQL update query, and refresh the data. Separating data access logic, that is database interaction, from the presentation layer, ASPX and code behind is a best practice. This improves code maintainability and testability. Now, let us see how to edit an existing record in the GridView. First, click the edit button on the row you want to update. This enables the text boxes within the row, allowing you to modify the values. After making the necessary changes, click the update button to save the updated data back to the database. The GridView refreshes automatically and displays the updated values, confirming that the changes have been successfully saved. Bind data subroutine is responsible for retrieving employee data from the database and binding it to the GridView. The if statement checks if any records are found. If not, it displays an appropriate message. This file, viewemployees.aspx, contains the ASPX markup for the web page displaying the employee data. The key element is the GridView control, ASP GridView tag, which is bound to the employee data. The important attributes are ID equal GV employees, the unique identifier for the GridView. Run at equal server indicates that the control is processed on the server. Auto-generate column equal false prevents the GridView from automatically generating columns. This allows for more control over the column appearance and behavior. When delete is clicked, we extract the employee ID and run a delete query. The bind data method ensures the latest data is shown. In this part, we added edit and delete support to the grid view. In the next video, we will make it easier to find employees by adding search and filter features.